Hola mi gente hermosa, hello to all my beautiful people. To start off and kick off this year that is going to be amazing, I would like to start by showing you things that are new in my closet. This year I am going to change my shopping habits. I'm going to tweak them a little bit. I am now more than ever, I am now wanting to really invest in pieces that hold their value over time and pieces that are of super high quality. I want to minimize the amount of things in my closet, and I want to maximize the amount of things in my closet that are of very good quality, that are going to last me years and years. Also, 2022 is the year where we need to focus in really taking care of our planet. This is the only home that we have. We need to be more conscious of having less waste. This is a conscious decision that each and every single one of us makes, and I am going to be applying that everywhere throughout my wardrobe, through the products that I buy in my home. And as the chief editor of Vogue said, less is more. So on that note, I want to show you, first we are going to start with this beautiful dress that I am wearing. I saw this dress and I was like, I need to have it. This dress makes me feel like a woman, like a very chic and classy and beautiful woman. But at the same time, I do feel very empowered and sexy. And the thing that I love about this dress is the fact that it's so versatile. I can use this for work during the day. If I have like a lunch meeting or an afternoon meeting, I can definitely wear this for a date, which is where I have been wearing it. And it's just so beautiful. It gives off the right impression. I love the high neck. I love the little beautiful, like puffy kind of cut out, very feminine sleeves. And you guys, the fact that it's long, it just gives it this allure of just very polished and classy. You want to be a classy lady. That's unfortunately, the way you dress is the way that other people perceive you. Maybe you're not a certain way, but the way you dress will be the way people perceive you. And if you want to be, at least I want to be perceived as, you know, a beautiful, classy, elegant lady. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. I love the side slit on this dress. It's just so beautiful. I have been wearing it to go out. I pair it with kitten heels. As you guys know, kitten heels have been huge in 2021. And it looks so beautiful with kitten heels and a small little bag. And I love wearing this dress during the day as well. And to make it a little bit more casual, then I wear it with flat sandals. These are like gladiator sandals. And I am pairing it up with this bright yellow balenciaga bag. As you can see, yes, the color of the dress is green. And you remember last year when green got introduced, we were like, how do we wear green? Well, green is here to stay, and it's such a beautiful and regal color. And I just honestly was, as soon as I saw this, I was literally shopping on FARFETCH and I saw this and I was like, I need to have that dress. So I'm going to link it in the description box below. It runs true to size, and honestly, I am super happy. You guys are going to see me wearing this a lot. This next piece I am going to show you is one of those pieces that I think everyone should have in their closet, especially if you live somewhere that's like a little bit cold. Look at this beautiful oatmeal color. So it's like in the neutrals. You can wear this with browns, with beige, with white, with camels. It's just so beautiful. The cashmere is super soft, and I'm not sure if you guys know this, but cashmere is 8 times warmer than wool and 30% lighter. So it's just such a great investment. You can wear the pants with the top as a set. You can wear the pants alone with another top. You can wear the sweater over dresses or over skirts. It's just a really good value. And for me, it has been really hard to find cashmere sets that look appropriate for maybe like going out and having a walk around, or I just really love to wear them to feel like I'm dressed when I'm home. I like to look nice and elegant when I'm home, and I absolutely adore this. The ultimate date dress. I was browsing online at FARFETCH and I saw this gorgeous silk fuchsia dress, and I was like, wow. I love it because every time I try to wear a dress that's like to go out and party, the problem that I run into is that everything is normally really tight, and if I am going out for dinner, as soon as I finish having dinner, my belly bloats so much. So I always need to be mindful of that, and I need to wear things that I feel sexy in and beautiful, but that also hide my belly, even like if I had dinner, or you know what I mean. I don't want to be feeling like I'm looking like on the chubby side of things. So this dress for me won my heart. I'm so glad that I ordered it in the right size. I love how it's flowy. I love how, because of the way that it falls in the back, it makes you look like you're slimmer than what you actually are. I love how regal this dress is. I can wear it with my hair down, depends how I'm feeling that day, or I can wear it in a low bund, right? Low bund. I would wear some studs, and I would throw, maybe if it's cold, an oversized blazer that then I would take off, and like, look at how beautiful and elegant it is. It's not the same thing when you wear a dress that's a mini skirt that is high neck than when you wear a dress that's a mini skirt that has like a low cut on the front. That is a little bit like, you know, this looks a little bit more classy. So this I love. And I have already worn this out on a date, and let's just say it was a very successful date. Next up is this pair of Dream boots by Jimmy Choo, which I love. I'm so in love with these. I love the heel height. This is a perfect heel height to be able to walk. You can wear it with mini skirts, dresses, pants. It's just a timeless and classic boot that I am going to have in my closet for many years to come. I also found this in a patent leather color, super beautiful, and I'm also going to link it in the description box below for you guys. If you like videos like this that talks about styling, handbags, shoes, please consider subscribing. It would make me super happy if you came and you hung out with me. It helps me so much if you click the thumbs up. It just really helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and it would mean the world to me. I see you guys in my next video. Bye.